Hello, I'm Saffron Lee from Yara Fertiliser. Here in Wales, around 90% of the Yara fertiliser used is manufactured in a Yara fertiliser factory. The factories that supply our fertiliser are based along the western coast of mainland Europe, as you can see here. You can find the information of what factory your fertilisers come from on the bag. Here I have a Yara Miller Complex 25 kilo bag, and on the left hand corner you can see the lettering POR, which stands for Porsgrunn in Norway. That information is on the same place whether it's a 600 kilo bag or a ton bag. From our factory, the fertiliser comes into one of the ports here in the UK. In Wales we get serviced by Swansea or Garston to the north of Wales. You can find the information on which port it's come into and been bagged at on the bag as well, by this small label in the top of the bag lining. Here you'll see that this starts with the letter G, which stands for Garston, and if it was from Swansea, it would start with the lettering SWA. It's then followed by a series of numbers, which is specific to the bag of fertiliser that you have. From this, that can be traced right back to the factory where it was produced. Thank you for listening, and for any more information on our products or the traceability, then please visit our website, yara.co.uk.